I can't even.
No, leave it in there. It's the woodpecker. They put all their acorns in the tree. He's getting ready for winter.
That's a lot.
I know. Look at all that. He's been working hard.
Oh, one broke.
Okay, leave it alone, dude. Seriously, this is what they do. They get ready for the winter. That tree is full of it, and then the 2 trees in the back.
I'm gonna help them. Mom, look, I'm gonna help them.
There you go. If you stay quiet, you can hear it. I don't see it, but...
They're over here.
They're on that side?
There's 3 behind you. There's like 3 right there, and there's 1 on this side.
Oh yeah, that tree's loaded too. Dang. They got 4 trees loaded. That's crazy.
And they do all this?
It's for winter, so they have food.